today, look at you. This guy thinks so cool now. He put on that visor. Looks like Shredder. Honda power. And this guy, he's right here so humping it with the broom. He's putting that broom on my ass.
Innocent.
He's innocent. He's not innocent. I'm innocent. I'm gonna fuck this shit too. Get the fuck out. No, you get the fuck out. No, no. I scared her. I scared her. Ooh. Yes. Yes. Damn me out, bitch. I wanna get some fucking damn Yuri up. I want fucking damn Yuri up. Sit that thing up my ass.
What? Somebody.
I'm gonna pass out. So this is the shit that got you all fucking stupid. You're like, oh, I can't drive. Wait, I'm the driver. You're just rambling, bro. I swear you wouldn't shut the f*** up.